Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this half up half down look with no leave out, guys. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look with these curls, make sure you continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I'll be working with Sterlyhair company. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So I got this card with some info on it. I also got a case of lashes, an edge control brush, and 3 bundles that were 22 inches long. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys how the bundles looked coming out the package. And yeah, we are going to use all 3 bundles for this install. So my hair was already washed and blow dried. As you can see, I'm just gonna go ahead and part my hair where I want my ponytail to be. So first things first, I'm gonna see where I want the ponytail to sit, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make that part at the back. So I am sectioning my hair from ear to ear. And then I'm going to go ahead, put away that top portion and start braiding the back. So when doing these braids in the back, I do like to make a part down the middle, and I work in sections. So I'm going to go ahead with this section first, and I'm going to make a part. So I make my part on a slant when I do my half up half downs. So I start from the middle and go down, and I also connect my braids. So I will be showing you guys once I finish this braid how the braids at the back are looking. So this is how it looks. There's 3 braids on one side, and then I'm going to do the same exact thing on the next side and add another 3 braids. So once the 3 braids are done, and in total there are 6 braids at the back, I'm just going to connect the ends together and use a rubber band to hold it. So this is how the foundation of the 6 braids look, and this will be a sew-in. There are some people that like to glue it on, but I will be doing the sew-in method. So I'm just going to take that piece at the back that was hanging, and I'm going to fold it into the braids and sew that piece down. Now I'll be taking the first bundle and sewing it onto the back of my head. This is going to probably take me about halfway, and then I'll be adding the second bundle. So I do like to double my wefts when I do my half up half downs. So that's how you'll see me sewing the hair. And also, I just wanted to mention I will be using 2 bundles at the back and one bundle for the ponytail. So this is how it looks with the first bundle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add the second bundle. So once I've reached the end, I'm going to use my scissors and cut off the remaining of the hair that's left over. As you can see, it's just this small piece. And then I'm going to go ahead and sew down that end piece. So this is how it's looking with the two bundles at the back. And then I'm going to go ahead and work with the top now. So I did decide to go ahead and flat iron my hair. That way it looks more smooth and sleek. Once I finish flat ironing the hair, I'm just going to make a part in the middle, and then I'm going to part out my bangs. And once I've had my bangs parted out, I'm just going to twist it and just keep them out the way for now because I'll be working with these last. So now that I'm working with the ponytail part, I'm just gonna comb it up and put it where I want it to be. Then use my band and put it into the ponytail. Once my hair is in a ponytail, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be Free spray and my comb. And I'm just going to smooth it out with my hand as well. And use my blow dryer to just dry it into place. And I'm just gonna do that for the entire front portion of my hair. And once that's done, I'm just going to remove my band and comb it through a bit and then put the band back into the ponytail. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are getting somewhere. Like, the ponytail could just be the ponytail, to be honest, but I'm gonna go ahead and add the bundle. So what I'm going to do is braid my ponytail, and once I finish braiding it, I'm just gonna add a small elastic band to the end. And because my braid is so long, I am just going to fold it over to make the braid shorter. That way the ponytail is not too long. So I'm gonna fold it over and use my needle and thread and just sew it into place. And once that's sewn, I'm gonna go ahead and start my invisible ponytail. I have a lot of videos on this type of ponytail, so I will just leave one up if you guys want to watch it. But I basically just sew the ponytail onto the braid going around. I'm literally wrapping the hair from the bottom of the ponytail going all the way to the top, just sewing it on one side of the braid. Alright, so now that the ponytail is sewed on, I'm just taking a small piece from the back of the ponytail and I'm going to be using that as my wrap to wrap around the weft. So I did use some got2b free spray to spray on that piece of hair. And you want to make sure the hair is nice and smooth so the wrap looks really nice and neat. So I'm just going to wrap that around until I reach to the very end and just stick it in the bottom of the ponytail. Alright guys, so once that is done, I am going to be going in with my Sebastian hairspray and I'm just going to spray that all over my hair because I will be going in and curling it. So I will be sectioning the hair and curling them in like big pieces. So yeah. So today I will be using my T3 curling iron and curling this entire head, even the bangs, guys. I'm going to be curling my bangs as well, but I will be using my flat iron for that part. So for this bang area, I did not go ahead and add any tracks to it, but if you do want the bangs to be thicker, guys, I do suggest gluing in some tracks, but I did not add any to mine. And what I also liked was that you have like 2 styles in one, because realistically, if you don't want the bangs, and like what I did was, after a while I just redid my ponytail and took the bangs out, and was just literally a half up, half down. So yeah, I went in with my Paul Mitchell shine spray and also my oil sheen to set the tone, and this is how it's looking, guys. This was my first time doing a half up, half down without leaving any of my leave out, and I do love this look. So yeah, if you guys want to try it out, by all means, it was great. So shout out to Sterlyhair company for sponsoring today's video and sending over these bundles. All the details will be down in my description box below, so you can go ahead, click the link, check them out. They have a whole website. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's install. I have many half up, half downs on my channel, so you guys can also go look at those videos. But I do want to do an in-depth one, so I will be showing you guys one on someone's head sooner than later. So make sure you stay tuned for the videos coming, guys. Make sure you're subscribed, like this video, comment down below, let me know what you guys think about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.